welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I am doing a fall haul for you guys from Michael's, which is a local craft store. I'm not really sure if you have that where you live or not, but I went there today and I took advantage of some extreme sales, and so I'm pretty excited about all the stuff I had to show to you guys today. So before I get into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing that I got was this, and it is a bale of hay. It was $7.99. Originally, I think it was $16, so it says the price right there. I'm not really sure if you can see that or not, but it says it right there. Whoops. It says it right here. It's originally $16. I got it for $7.99. These are for my porch, by the way. And then this, well, the bale of hay is for my porch. Then I got this super cute sign. It says, "Every year I fall for pumpkins, bonfires, s'mores, autumn leaves, apples, and you." And it's so cute. And it like hangs, so it has like a little thing right here. And it was originally $16. I got it for $7. So super good sale at Michael's going on right now. Everything was basically 60% off, but I got this super duper cute sign for the living area in our house, so super stoked about that. These next little signs that I got are like super duper so cute and super duper on sale. So this one is this Hello Fall. It's got a little pumpkin on it. It was $3.80, originally $7. This one is another sign. It says Fall Sweet Fall, and it was originally $10 and I got it for $4.20. I got this super cute thing. It is a jug. It says Farmers Market Sunflower Seeds, 5 cents. It's got sunflower seeds on it, and it's like a mulled wine color. And I thought it would be really cute if I like found some cute sunflowers to like stick in this. I'm not really a huge like natural or like real flower person, so like some fake ones will do the trick, but I thought maybe if I could put that on my front porch, that would be such a cute decoration. The other sign that I got is for the bathroom, the half bath. So it says Autumn Leaves and Pumpkins Please, and it's so cute. Same thing with this. I got this originally $10 and I got it for $4.20. And I got this entire bag of pumpkins for $4. So it's just like little plastic fake pumpkins, but I thought it was so cute, and it's like in the color scheme that we're doing. So super cute to decorate inside with. And I think that's all the things that I got. And then while we were there, my mom picked my son up a little book, and it's called You're My Little Pumpkin Pie, and this is it. And I just wanted to do a quick shout out to the author of this book and the illustrator, honestly. It's illustrated by Natalie Marshall, and the author is, goodness, who makes this? I can't tell who the author is. Oh, it's written by Nicola Edwards, and it's such a cute book. So if you're looking for a cute little Halloween book for your kid, this is the one to get, because it's so cute, and it just goes through like different things about Halloween, and it's just really cute. So if you're interested in getting your kid a Halloween book, something fun to read, keep them educated during Halloween, this is the book to get. And again, it's called You're My Little Pumpkin Pie. It's so cute. That's what it looks like. Alright guys, so that was basically it for today's vlog. Sorry, I've been itching so much. I'm allergic to mosquitoes, and here in Ohio it's still like in the 80s, and fall is Monday, so if that tells you anything at all. But anyway, I am going to wrap up today's vlog. I know it was super duper short, but I just wanted to do this really quick fall vlog for you guys, because I knew that I took advantage of such great sales today, and I had to share them with you guys. Are you guys ready for fall? Let me know in the comments below. I'm super duper excited for everything fall, everything pumpkin spice. That's where my life is at right now. So if you guys want to see more haul videos, let me know that as well in the comments below. If you guys want to do any collaborations with me, please feel free to let me know that as well. And yeah, I'm gonna get off here because I'm super duper itchy, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.